I spent the last 3 weeks going through 200 live AI job postings. LinkedIn, Naukri, Glassdoor, Otta. I categorized every single skill requirement. And one thing showed up in 94% of them. Not the skill everyone is learning. A completely different one. I'm going to show you exactly what it is and give you a 60-day plan to build it. 94%. That's not a soft trend. That's nearly every AI job posting sharing the same core requirement. And the wild part? Most people learning AI skills right now aren't building this one at all. Before I tell you what the skill is, let me tell you what it's not, because this is where most people waste months. They're not asking for advanced Python or C++. They don't need a maths PhD or research papers. And 5+ years building ML models from scratch? Barely mentioned. The barrier is lower than you think, but it's a different barrier entirely. Here are the 5 skills that actually appeared in those postings, ranked by how often they showed up. Number 5, LLM fine-tuning and RAG, custom model adaptation. Number 4, AI integration and API design, wiring AI into real products. Number 3, data pipelines and ML ops, running models in production, not just notebooks. Number 2, prompt engineering at scale, systematic, repeatable, not just chatting with ChatGPT. And number 1, the one in 94% of postings. I'll break it down right now. Here's the salary data that makes this even clearer. Prompt engineering adds about 4.2 LPA on average. AI integration and APIs, 7.8. ML ops and deployment, 9.4. LLM fine-tuning, 12.1 LPA, and applied AI problem-solving, the number 1 skill, adds 18.6 LPA on average. That's a 4-to-1 difference between the skill everyone's learning and the skill that actually pays. So what is applied AI problem-solving actually? It's 4 things. 1. You take a real business problem and pick the right AI tool for it. Not the most impressive one, the right one. 2. You build a prototype, measure it, and iterate. 3. You can explain the trade-offs to someone non-technical, your manager, a client, a stakeholder. And 4. You ship something. Deployed and imperfect beats perfect and in a notebook every single time. That's the skill. Here's the trap most people fall into, and I nearly fell into it myself. They finish 10 Udemy courses and have 0 deployed projects to show for it. The fix is simple but uncomfortable. 1 deployed project beats 10 certificates. Always. The action is this. Build something real with AI this week. It doesn't have to be impressive. It has to exist. A working tool that solves one problem for one person is worth more than 3 months of tutorials. Here's a 60-day plan that actually works, based on what I found in the research. Weeks 1 and 2. Pick one use case only. Automation, summarization, or code generation. Choose one. Don't try all 3. Weeks 3 and 4. Build it and deploy it. Use the Claude API, LangChain, or OpenAI. Get it live. Weeks 5 and 6. Document everything. A GitHub repo and a 1-page case study. This becomes your proof of work. Weeks 7 and 8. Apply with that evidence. Show the project in interviews. That one project will outperform any certification you list. Before you go and start learning, 3 things to avoid first, based on what I found. 1. Generic AI literacy courses with no hands-on output. They feel productive. They're not. 2. Learning PyTorch or TensorFlow before you have a real project to apply them to. That's backwards. 3. collecting AI certifications without any deployed proof of work to back them up. Credentials without evidence don't move the needle in 2026. One thing I want to be transparent about: how I did this research, so you can trust the numbers. 200 live postings, pulled from LinkedIn, Naukri, Glassdoor, and Otta. Filtered to India plus global roles, 8 LPA and above. I categorized every skill requirement manually, no shortcuts. Then cross-referenced the salary data against levels.fyi for 2026. This took 3 weeks. That's what May 10 is. I do the research so you don't have to. If this saved you even 3 months of learning the wrong skill, subscribe. I'm running this exact 60-day plan myself, starting this week. Next video is going to show you which use case I picked, how I built it, and what happened. That's the research continuing in real time. Hit the bell so you don't miss it.